Today, I'm thrilled to introduce you to our new partner Binance Flashbot. An extraordinary tool in the realm of cryptocurrency, Flashbot is pioneering the way with no-code arbitrage trading using Flash Loans. Picture this combo of risk-free arbitrage opportunities, automatic pair matching and routing, all at your fingertips. Imagine having the power to leverage arbitrage opportunities without writing a single line of code. Flashbot makes this a reality. Just by selecting your desired network, be it Ethereum or BSC, and entering a token address, the arbitrage finder springs into action. It's like setting off on an adventure in search of hidden treasures across the blockchain. Once you've selected your token from the extensive token list section, the arbitrage finder becomes your guide. It meticulously searches for the best arbitrage opportunities and swap routing for your chosen token, ensuring you're always on the path to profitability. With your token selected, it's time to decide on the amount. Whether you're starting small or going big, Flashbot accommodates with a minimum of 25 and a maximum of 10,000 in your chosen currency. It's all about giving you the control to tailor your arbitrage journey to your financial comfort zone. Next, the deposit button beckons. This crucial step involves making a deposit, recommended to be at least 0.5 BNB or 0.15 Ethereum, to cover the initial fees. It's your ticket to embark on the arbitrage exploit, setting the stage for the potential profits that lie ahead. With anticipation building, press the Execute button. Flashbot springs into action, executing the arbitrage trades. If at any moment the bot encounters gas fees higher than anticipated, it halts, seeking your approval for additional funds to cover the costs. It's a safeguard ensuring transparency and control remain in your hands. The climax of our journey arrives as Flashbot completes its mission. The screen refreshes, and there it is, caution $6,700 in your account. A testament to the seamless synergy of technology and opportunity, Flashbot has navigated the complex web of the blockchain to secure your profits. The world of cryptocurrency arbitrage is fraught with complexity and risk. But with Flashbot as your ally, the path to profit becomes clear and more accessible. Today we've embarked on a journey through the capabilities of Flashbot, but this is just the beginning. The future is bright and the opportunities are endless.